Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out this KYME carry-on suitcase. This is made out of polycarbonate. That is super sturdy, lightweight. This thing probably weighs about 4 pounds. Look at the spinners on here, these little wheels. Very versatile, very smooth, very sturdy. These feature YKK zippers, so you know those are the best of the top of the line. Has this nice handle here on the side, tucks in almost flush with the top here, but also pulls out. It's kind of a nice like silicone feel here. We also have our handle, which extends out twice. So if you need to pull it along, or you need to just have it a little bit shorter, that is adjustable as well, and then goes down in there perfectly. Okay, so this has the TSA lock here. So TSA doesn't have to bug you to open it up. Also it has this combination lock too. Pop it that way, that opens this one. That way opens this one. Nice feature about this, check it out. We have this front like laptop pocket. So if they need access real quick to this, just unzip it real quick. This is nice. It has features of nice padded thing here to protect your laptop, but you can just slide it right in there if they need to check it out. Also has these cool little Velcro things here. So you can just set it to open up a little bit. If they need to check that out really quick, what do you got in this packet part? Just boom, let's show them that, and that way they can check it out. Also has a little pocket here at the front, so that is really cool. And that also Velcros down. These zippers, very smooth, nothing getting stuck in these. Very easy to work with. Okay, now the other side, we got this here. Open this up and show you guys this. Okay, one side we have this adjustable thing. Put your clothes in there or whatever and snap it down, and that can be pulled tight if you want to. With this easy to adjust, cinch that down, and there you go. Other side here features a nice wet dry partition here. So this one is clear, but it's also like plastic. So you can put your like toothbrush, toothpaste, things like that, lotions and whatnot, and that's going to keep it protected and away from your other clothes and things like that. So a great idea there. We also have this other little mesh pocket here as well. So they can, it's clear. I like how it's clear so the TSA guys, if they're inspecting, they can see your stuff and don't have to pull everything out. This also features this other little area here, clear and free away from this wet area if you do have different things in there. A nice spacious little pocket there too for whatever you want to put in there. Very durable. Everything about this seems really high quality and nicely done. These YKK zippers, they're not getting stuck when you're trying to pull them or anything. Like, very smooth, nothing getting stuck. Yeah, just a nice little carry-on here. The wheels are super smooth as well. Everything about this is really nice, my friends. So thanks so much for watching this review. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time.